Pastelón de Carne o carne beef. Puerto Rican Plantain Lasagna is one of Puerto Rico's most iconic comfort dishes. Made with sweet ripe plantains, layered like lasagna, savory season, corned beef, melty cheese, and baked to perfection. This dish is the ultimate balance of sweet and savory. And this version stayed true to the Puerto Rican roots. Boricua, no shortcuts, just bold Caribbean flavor. Let's create. And I'm already getting stuff ready. What I have here is a pan with some extra virgin olive oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my real-time sofrito here. So what I have here is some cilantro, you can have culantro, green bell peppers, and onions. Going to mix them up and caramelize these babies, okay? Do that for a few minutes. Couple minutes later, let me add about 3 teaspoons of garlic, which I chopped. Mix it up for a few seconds. You don't want the garlic to burn, so just for a few seconds. Now we're going to do can of corned beef. Let me push it here. And then once you put it here, you're going to start breaking this baby down. Break it down so you can start cooking it, okay? Mixing it up, I'm going to add, you can put some tomato sauce or grated tomatoes. I'm going to go with a tablespoon of tomato paste, okay? Mix it up real quickly. Going to add a little bit of smoked paprika and a little bit of salt. This is a quick and dirty corned beef. This is not my traditional recipe. This is just a quick and dirty, okay? Because you're going to use it for something else. Put a little bit of water. Just a little bit, you don't want it swimming. And you're going to cook this baby, okay? Say about 5 minutes, okay? It doesn't take long for this stage of the process. So 5 minutes, medium heat. Ripe plantains, get a couple, cut on the edge. You're going to take the peel out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut this baby, okay? Now you're going to fry these babies, okay? So easy. I'm going to get the plantains and put them in my pilon because I'm going to smash them, okay? So I'm going to put them in my pilon. And now I'm going to smash them. Keep it simple. You don't go crazy, you smash them, okay? So I have some baking pans. I'm going to go with the larger one. Spray it. Just a little spray, you don't go crazy. And what I'm going to do is I have an egg here. I'm going to battle that baby. And let me start creating that base, okay? Now we're going to add some of this mashed plantain, okay? I'm going to add some of the mashed plantain. I'm going to start smashing it and creating that base, okay? some mozzarella cheese. You don't go crazy, just a little bit, creating that thing that's going to hold everything together. Then I'm going to add some of that corned beef, okay? I'm going to start putting that thing here in the middle. Ooh, it smells delicious. Let me put a little bit here too of cheese, so it's equally balanced. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the top layer of the plantain. Here comes the top layer, okay? You start putting on top. Then you're going to do another egg, butter, and you're going to add this baby on top, okay? See how simple? 350 Fahrenheit. I'm going to leave it there maybe for about 15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. 20 minutes later, see? What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this side carefully. Then I'm going to flip it. Let me put a little bit of cheese on top, kind of closing the thing off, because you can do some minor grates, you know, some minor ones. So I like to put some cheese. You can put it out in the microwave. Oven still hot, you can put it there real quick to get it to melt, okay? Microwave works, oven does too. Here we have it. Look at this baby. Lasagna Boricua. Pastelón de corned beef. Nice, huh?